We still don't have any commanders. Ugh, that's a bad thing. Alright, I need a... I'll be commander, but I need a, I'm going to need...
This guy's so fucked. That guy's name was Bort!
That's a good try, man. That was a good try.
Yeah, that was actually not horrible at all.
I totally thought he was gonna be straight up Chinese because of his name.
Well, that's because you're racist. Insurgents. Co-op. Observer. AKM? What? No. Fal.
The fuck? No. None of that.
Compensator. Extended mag. This is dumb.
There's what?
There's only male insurgents.
Oh, yeah. It's really...
It's sexist. Granted, most insurgencies are. Wow, this guy's awful.
Who is it?
This is Yellow Cake.
Yellow cake.
It's been shot at like 3 times and hasn't returned fire.
Who knew his saw could be hip fired?
I mean, it can be.
Not well, but it can be.
Meh. I half expected him to kill that guy.
Can we get some cover on my 6?
Nope, I'm gonna look the other way.
Oh my god, I got killed!
I didn't get killed that way!
Oh my god, that is the worst, dude. I'm so sorry. No, you got fucking capped in the back of the head.
This dude with the saw, you're like, oh, check my 6. He just straight up looks 11.
That's one way to clear a room.
Except for that one.
What a
God,
bastard.
that guy was so bad. And somehow got most headshots. What the fuck?
I don't know, man. Most headshots with 2 is not exactly the best thing.
That's not a lot. I'm surprised I didn't beat that.
It's like, hey Pim, I kind of regret telling Dad to watch Stranger Things because I think that's what's causing my lag. Yeah, Pim, I'm talking shit.
Mad shit.
Evan, you want to come say hi? She said no.
Why are you always doing this? Why are you always making me talk to other people?
Because that's what I do. I'm your girlfriend. I have to make sure you get out every once in a while.
And yet your girlfriend's the only one who is available to hang out.
Me. Say it. Say it.
Say what?
Say you love me.
I was talking over you. I couldn't hear you.
Say you love me.
No.
Anywho, yeah, so she came in and says it was probably me uploading my photos. I was like, wait, that's not done? And she's like, yeah. I was like, holy shit. It's taking over 48 hours to do it.
Holy fuck.
It's funny because you said that in the same exact tone as before. So if you can make that into a soundbite, that'd be pretty cool.
It already is. It's just a MIDI keyboard that I have here. Of myself.
Oh my god, do you have that like that extra Logitech thing where it's meant for like MMO players where it's just a bunch of G keys?
No.
Come on. Apparently that's really good for like artists and video editors because you get access all of your tools just by pressing it instead of having to move
yeah.
around.
Well, and I think those are usually programmable, so you can put like symbols or text on them, and so you can constantly change it to whatever you're using.
You down to play some Insurgency?
Sure.
And have me not lag up a storm?
Yeah, that'd be dope. Although, I don't know, maybe all lag, because I have like 1,000 windows open thanks to all the references in this last edit.
Hey, we're a very reference heavy
1, 2, 3,
team, okay?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tabs just for this. There's the midget strippers, there's Aubrey Plaza talking about her age, there's the Adventure Zone. I needed a picture of Clint so we can call him an incel. There's wet tacos, which apparently is a national dish in Cuba. So, you know, fuck you, Lewis.
Because, you know, fuck you, Liz.
There's like 10 minutes of you trying to get Lewis to ask you what a henway is.
Oh, because he's a fucking asshole. What's a headway? About 10 pounds?
It's about 4. Fuck!
Did you die?
Yeah, I got grenaded.
Copy that, Warlock.
I thought I saw it, but I wasn't sure, and it was.
Grab the last one.
Cool. And you're in a stalemate.
Here.
What?
Ah!
What? Why? That's cool. Not today, motherfucker.
Oh! Oh no! How are you still alive? I think at one point you were up against 7 people.
This show's pretty heavy. Hold on a sec, I'll be right back.
I feel like the videos on this game are going to be less funny and more like, I can't believe that fucking happened. Like, I can't believe how badly I'm lagging all around this pillar.
Yeah. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me! Ow! Fucking asshole.
You know, you said that, and I'm still like, enemy, kill him! It was only by my own incompetence that you are not dead. By the way, you guys are losing.
Yeah, but it's fine. As long as we're on the point itself, we won't actually lose it.
Hmm.
We just have to capture it and then sweep.
Yep. 15 seconds. Oh no! No, 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 no! No!
That was fucking stupid! Oh my god!
Should've just left it on!
The 1 second I take it off! God damn it!
It's all your fault!
Oh, that's so fucking stupid. Man, I had them. I had them all.
You had them. You had them dead to rights, except you had to take your mask off.
God damn it. I was worried the mask would ruin my hearing, and guess what? The mask is fucking...
It doesn't matter. You don't need to hear.
I is mad. So mad. I'm so upset.
I would be very upset.
Alright, you know, give me like 5 minutes. I'm gonna take a quick break.
Okay, I'm gonna go get something to eat.
Oh god.
Oh! It's a good thing you always default to crouching, because I always shoot over you. Got it.
Sorry for shooting you, dude. It's totally my bad. I flinched.
Alright, you apologize. You got big dick energy, bro.
That kind of made my night, thanks.
That big dick energy. Night sights. Oh yeah, that's definitely a SIG 220.
Sarah, I see that big dick energy on YouTube, buddy.
Oh, thanks, Dad. Oh, dude, I'm the noggin knocker. Dicks out for Harambe, everyone.
Zip. There is an asshole in the back. You are correct.
Shoot this guy, new one.
Just keep it clean. Best you can.
It's funny. I'm pretty sure that's a war crime. You're a war crime.
Well, you shot a dead body. That is definitely a war crime.
¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Oh god!
Fuck!
Nah, that was my bad. I ran totally in front of you, and the ground was sloped. So
Oh, I killed you, so I died.
Oh, you got a penalty for it?
Yeah.
Oh. Burn.
You ran right in front of me. I shot you in the head, and suddenly it got reflected back on me.
Who knew headshots were deadly, man?
Ready. I'm ready.
Should you strafe the church?
Done its run. Stay cool, guys. Station out.
Call for a gun run. Have him
Go. Buckle, get back.
This is observer. I'm requesting a gun run on this location. Over.
Observer, this is station. Copy. Stand by for rolling. Straight from the church.
Well, we're gonna watch people die.
I hope they do.
It's the only way they'll learn.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's not like he died, so. Alright, I'm out. Let's go! Alright, you retards, I'm gonna strafe the church. Rush the church, guys.
Leroy!
We need to help the strafe. All done. Leaving the area. There as fast as you can, please.
Blood for the blood god. Oh god, they're actually all running.
Oh no, rock left. Who's up there?
Bunch of idiots. Oh, it looks like they're actually hiding in the rocks.
Okay, we're good.
Told you that's how they learn.
Oh, the 27 seconds. Ooh, nice shot.
Yeah, well, you know, luck happens.
Terrible shots.
I hit him once, but he had armor.
Looks like he hit his backpack.
Hit your backpack.